Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly. I hope everyone is doing well today. You may hear some thunder and some rain in the background. We have some weather coming through. Hopefully it'll be out here soon. But today I have a small, somewhat small for me, Walmart grocery haul. And today I went ahead and got some English muffins. This is the Ezekiel cinnamon raisin. And these are pretty good. You get, I think, six of them in there. I have 3 heads of cabbage. And, of course, the kiwis. And these were cheaper to buy. It's 3 pounds than to buy them individually. So I went ahead and got that. It was $4 for that. Also, a pineapple. Some stir-fry rice noodles. Some vanilla waffle cone coffee. That one's pretty good. And my French vanilla and cafe mocha creamer. They did not have my the 12 pack in the cans of the zero sugar 7-Up, so I just went ahead and got it was the same price. Unfortunately, you only get 6, but these are a little bit larger, I believe, than the cans. And some Bounty paper towels. Also some chicken breast strips, and I like to put those in my salad. Some water chestnuts and some bean sprouts. Some chicken broth and some chow mein noodles. Now I'm making chicken chow mein, and I'll put that recipe down below in the description box because I made this on my channel a while back, and it's a pretty good recipe, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link down below. This is Bird's Eye sheet pan meals, and it's the chicken with garlic Parmesan potatoes, and I wanted to try that. It looked good. Some broccoli florets, got 2 bags of those. And these are the petite carrots. I like to munch on those. Those are a good snack, healthy snack. Some buffalo ranch seasoning, and you just put this on chicken, and it says you can use, let me see, the wings or the drumettes or drumsticks. And I'm going to use the drumsticks because the pack of the drumettes that you can usually buy, the little mini ones, was $17. So I opted to just go with a larger drumstick for that. And I also got 2 bags of salad. Some celery and some green onions, a red onion to put in my salad. And if you've never had Cadbury Caramellos, these are really good. I usually end up buying this, it's a bar that you can get, usually in checkout line, at one of my stores. I don't know if they have it at Walmart or not, I didn't notice it. But these are really good. And frozen Minute Maid orange juice. And I'm also making, my daughter is going to be having a baby in August, and I'm giving her a baby shower, so I'm going to be baking her cake. And I've always made her cakes for just about everything, her birthdays, all that type of thing, graduations. So I'm going to try and do that for her baby shower. So I have several because I'm doing a layer cake, and I may put this on my channel when I'm doing it, if I remember to do it, because I know it's going to be hectic. So if I do remember, I will put that on my YouTube channel and have that as a video of how I made it. Also some tuna, hickory smoked tuna. These my husband usually takes, and I'll usually give him some crackers with that. And these come with the crackers, so he takes those for lunch. And then they have the one that comes with the cookie and a fruit cup. So he'll take those sometimes. And tuna salad. A bag of Idaho potatoes. And let's see, the chicken, I have the chicken breast. And that wasn't too bad. I got the cheapest one I could find. When they're more expensive, it's because of the size of the size of the chicken. But sometimes I just opt to get the cheaper price because the other packs were 15 something. So I didn't feel like I needed to have them large or anything. I just went for the cheaper price. Also, these are the drumsticks I'm going to use for the ranch seasoning, and $6.87 sounded a lot better to me than $17. So that's why I got those. And non-food items, I need some of this for the cake that I'm going to be making, some gum paste, some flowers, icing flowers. And I'm not going to use all of these colors. I'm just going to use, I think, certain ones. Some Equate headache relief, and this is the Excedrin generic, and we've always bought this, and it's always a good buy. This, my mascara, and then I bought Natural Waves texturizing salt hairspray. I'm just going to try this. I have naturally wavy curly hair, but I just want to see if that does anything different. And some moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and those are Pantene. And my daughter's going to be here after she has the baby, so I did buy some drafts so we can wash some clothing, things like that. And the last, let's see, photo cardstock. I just saw this in the store. I didn't realize if this is something new, because I don't ever remember seeing this. So I have some projects I need to try to use this for, and just some labels for mailing your return address labels, and that's going to be for invitations and things that I have to send out. And in the background I have some Clump and Seal cat litter for my cat, and the litter box deodorizer, that helps a lot. And for my two dogs, I have this chicken flavor Chewy Chunks dental stick, and those help keep their teeth clean, so hopefully they'll like that, but they pretty much like anything that I give them, so I think they'll be fine with it. But this is everything that I got from Walmart today, and I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope that everyone has a blessed day, and God bless y'all.